Welcome to the Lion Knights. I started building a castle. Haven't built in quite a while. I've taken this apart a few times because I'm not happy with it, but if you chase perfection, you'll never reach the end. So I think I'm just gonna build and learn from my mistakes. I wanted something with a lot of details, but not Greebling, we're not making Star Wars. So some castles and all buildings could be very ornate. So try to capture that here by using all kinds of different elements and like textures. First I thought about just making a castle for one base plate, one lodge. But it just grew out of hand, and now it looks like this is like a project for 9 base plates. So I'm not gonna be able to fit that in this tiny apartment, but for when I move, I can always continue. I was supposed to make like a sort of tunnel here, have a courtyard here for the troops, and then like another base plate would be sort of a food market. So there's gonna be a village outside, and the villagers come in with their carts and set up their shop. And yeah, it's just I ran out of some pieces, as you can see, but I made a big order. Here we have 2 of these, so I made 2 orders. Oddly enough, one came today, but the other one hasn't even left the warehouse. And one might think, oh, that's a lot, but you run out of them so quickly. So if you want to build like a tower and walls and all, you're gonna need like a few more bags probably. I also have a few brown parts. I was thinking of making some sort of wooden construction that protrudes, and for the gate to be in reddish brown. I have to reconfigure here because how am I going to attach it at the gate? And also a few extra brown pieces for this mammoth here. I bought a few of those like 2 years ago. I thought my orcs could be riding in them, but as you can see, it's disproportionate. This section is far too big. Maybe I'll try half of it, and have a bit more cramped, but make it look better. Can't promise any weekly or even bi-weekly updates. I build when I have time and when I can afford to buy. Now I'm saving some money to go to Denmark at the end of the month for Skageback, and do some shopping there at the Lego house if I find anything interesting. Yeah, that's all for now. Bye.